Hi, today we're going to talk about something called the coordinate plane. We're going to see the coordinate plane a lot in geometry as well as data management. So what we're going to do is just a brief overview of what the coordinate plane is and how it works. The first thing that you should notice is that the coordinate plane is basically two lines that intersect. And the first line is labeled x, that's called the x-axis. The other line is called the y-axis. And the x-axis, you should notice, is horizontal, or it moves from left to right. The y-axis moves up and down. And the best way to kind of figure out which is I think y, sky, because the sky is up. You'll also notice that the coordinate plane is split into 4 quadrants. The first quadrant has positive values of x and positive values of y. And this is the quadrant you'll see most in data management when we're doing line graphs or scatter plots. If you look at quadrant 2, you'll see it has negative values of x, positive values of y. The third quadrant has negative values of x and negative values of y. And the fourth quadrant has positive values of x and negative values of y. Hopefully by now you should notice that I'm always talking about everything in terms of x first and y second. We always move left to right first and then up and down. And when we do this, we call this an ordered pair, because we have to go in order from left to right and then up and down. The other really important concept of the coordinate plane is that little red dot there, and we call that the origin. And the origin, is always 0, 0. So we always start from that origin and move wherever the ordered pair tells us to move. So here we have an ordered pair, and this ordered pair is 3, 1. So what I'm going to do if I want to move where that ordered pair tells me is to start at my origin, and I'm going to move along the x-axis first, 1, 2, 3, and then I'm going to move up 1. So where that is going to end up is right there, and my ordered pair then is 3, 1. Another example of an ordered pair would be the negatives. So here I'm going to go into probably quadrant 3 because it's negative 5, negative 2. So again, same thing. I start at my origin, and I always move along my x-axis first. So I'm going to move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then I'm going to move to negative 2. And my ordered pair should end up right there at negative 5 and negative 2. So this is how the coordinate plane works. We're going to work on a couple of activities that will let us become more familiar with the coordinate plane, and again, if you have any questions, just talk to me or have another look at the video. And once again, I hope this helps you out. Happy Thanksgiving.